think?
I mean, it's alright.
Alright, let me find a better beach.
The Better Beaches for Jamaicans project was launched in 2016 with the aim of improving beach stewardship among Jamaicans. During phase 1 of BVFJ, which was delivered between 2016 and 2017, we began work with our first 3 community beach partners, from Winnifred Beach in Portland, Alligator Pond in Manchester, and Duncan's Bay in Trelawney.
Hi, I'm Sandra James. You're in Duncan's Bay, Trelawney, on the Duncan's Bay Beach. We got involved in a program with JET, Jamaica Environmental Trust, in 2017 to actually give us more info on how to manage our beach properly. The most rewarding aspect of managing the beach for me is to come on and see the place clean, free of trash, free of plastic bottles.
We are here at Winnifred Beach in Portland. I've been here for over 20 years. We have different type of activity managing the beach. For example, we have to make sure the beach is clean. The beach has been closed because of the COVID-19. We have been closed down for the past 1 year, but still we are taking care of it and we are here monitoring it.
I've been managing the beach for the past 3 years.
I am Leon Wilson. We are here in Alligator Pond, Manchester. I am the treasurer for the Alligator Pond Citizen Association. The role we play in the community, we do beach cleanup, we do turtle monitoring project, even though go and do like Kiddie Street. But the major role for us is the beach cleanup.
During the project, we send a lifeguard on training, and now we have a licensed lifeguard here on the beach, and without a lifeguard we cannot run a public beach, so the lifeguard is very important.
I've been working at Winnifred Beach as a lifeguard for the past 4 years. I kind of like it because I like swimming, but the main thing I like to help out with like the children.
I am currently the second vice president for the Alligator Pond Citizens Association. Some of the plans and the vision for the future is to have the area as an ecotourism area. We had talks recently with the Tourism Enhancement Fund, and they were thinking of bringing a beach park to the Alligator Pond River, as well as other developments right throughout the Alligator Pond coastline. That would be a wonderful implementation in the community.
The biggest challenge is to have the people manage the garbage, because you know, if the bottles get out there into the water, it can be trouble.
Some of the challenges we have on the beach right now is we don't have the whole community buy into this beach cleanup.
If you live on a beach, you would know it's not an easy road, as Buju said. People like JET and other bodies come and give us workshops. Big up JET for that. These workshops do help.
We were offered bins, which we appreciated, and we really use the bin. They are very in good condition and we use them a lot. They were very helpful.
With the association, we are trying to get a fish sanctuary out at the Alligator Reef. People know it at Alligator Pond Keys, and the important for that fish sanctuary. So we realize that out there is where the fish will have come and do all of them breeding and hatching. But because of bad practice of fishing, then we realize that sometimes the bad practice are killing out the juvenile from out there. So if we can get it to be a fish sanctuary, that would be a big boost for the community.
Let us learn to control our garbage disposal. Let us not have it ending up in the sea or the rivers, and let us try to protect our water life and our beaches.
Phase 2 of BVFJ started in 2018 with a survey of 132 publicly accessible beaches in Jamaica. The results of this survey can be found on our website at www.bigupwebeachja.org. After conducting the survey, we found 5 additional beaches to recruit to the Better Beaches for Jamaicans project. These beaches were Peach Beach and Aloha Beach in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. We also recruited Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, Wikiwaki Beach in St. Andrew, Rio Nuevo Fishing Beach in St. Mary, and the Belmont Fishing Beach in Bluefields, Westmoreland.
There's no water, no bathroom facilities. And you know, for persons coming to the beach, you'd also want to, after swimming, wash off and, you know, change room and all of that. And that facility is not here to accommodate them.
It is so nice. I love it. I just wish we could develop it into a beach that we can take friends, we can take the family, we can all come and enjoy. But right now, I don't think it's there yet. It is calm beach, it's kept clean, it's just beautiful. It's just lovely to swim in.
We're at the Discovery Bay Fisherman's Beach. We have sent a business plan to the Member of Parliament for the area, Crystal Lee. She said she's going to upgrade the property and then turn it over to the CDC and the Fisherman's Cooperative to manage the property.
So our non-profit organization, Breads, has been managing the Galleon Beach Fishing Sanctuary for the past 8 years, and our intention is to turn it into an educational tour.
We are at the Calabash Bay Fishing Beach in St. Elizabeth. We have an issue with the backside waves at times that float off the port in the east of the Pedro Bluff. And because of that, it affects the whole livelihood of the fishermen by affecting the fishing industry.
The beaches that the Benevolent Society cover are the Great Bay Beach and the Old Wharf Beach.
So one of the problems that we're really having is beach erosion in this area. As a child growing up in the community, we were accustomed to walk in the beach, of course guided, and we would see more seashells on the beach. We would see like a lot of sand dunes, and we would have a lot of sea grape trees that are also planted along the coast. And sea grape is one of the trees that also help to keep the sand together, and most of those are gone.
We try to keep the beach clean as much as possible. Every October, when it's beach cleanup time, we facilitate whatever beach we're intended to clean. And we do from Old Wharf to Fort Charles.
Welcome to the Treasure Beach Turtle Museum. I do monitoring on the beach and protect the sea turtle nesting on the beach.
I'm a director here since 2015. My main duty is to ensure that the business runs smoothly.
I'm a resident in the community, right, and I'm connected to the beach because from time to time we have to have beach cleanup, so I'm connected in that form.
I'm a Just of the Peace, a retired police officer after 30 years service to this country.
We are here at the Rio Nuevo Fishing Village in St. Mary. I am the facilitator of the Rio Nuevo Fisherfolk Association.
This fishing beach is basically fishing activities. We also have tourism activities because we have Reliable Adventures Jamaica located on this property, which is owned by Mr. Wilder Christus.
The challenges that we face on the beach are the garbage. The trucks don't come as frequently to collect the garbage.
The challenges in Treasure Beach is that the sea does get rough sometimes. Persons would come down to the beach, let us say from the hills, persons who are not necessarily good swimmers, and we have had some drownings, unfortunately, over the years.
The challenges that we have with the turtle monitoring is that human being poach the adult, crab, mongoose, dog, mess with the egg and the baby.
We as Jamaicans, we don't take the environment serious. We just feel like we want to do anything and everything goes. Somebody else's responsibility to clean up my mess, and it shouldn't be.
The cleanliness of our fishing beach here in beautiful Bluefields is critical to us. We ensure that we have sufficient bins, and that was also supported by the Jamaica Environmental Trust.
Since we have attended the JET workshop, people have more understanding of the importance of the beach. You can see them picking up little pieces of garbage, etc.
The Better Beaches program is a significantly important one. Sometimes we take beaches for granted. So at the end of the day, it's something that you learn to respect. You have to respect the sea, you have to respect the wildlife, we have to respect each other.
The workshop helped us to understand how to manage our waste more properly, and in so doing we put in more receptacles, and we are now having better result, less garbage on the beach.
So we can tell Jamaica that Chojo Beach is one of the cleanest beach ever.
My main message is to please keep the beach clean. Don't dump your plastic bottles and your garbage on the beach.
The most rewarding experience is having guests come here for the first time and experience an adult nesting or hatchlings heading back to the waters.
Jamaicans need to know that this is ours. Just look after it. Don't abuse it.
I would really want to implore all Jamaicans to do everything to protect our beaches.
Fellow Jamaicans, let us all work together to have better beaches for Jamaica.
All 8 partner beaches received workshops from JET, including information on basic beach management, a basic legal framework on beach management and beach access, and we aim to empower communities to advocate on their own behalf to improve their access and beach management circumstances. The Better Beaches for Jamaicans project is supported by the Erwin Andrew Porter Foundation. For more information, visit www.bigupwebeachja.org.